Large numbers. Spiral learning. Knowing about the 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Numbers after 999. Place value and face value. Expanded notation. Successor and predecessor. Ascending and descending order. 2-digit numbers. The 2-digit numbers have two place values, tens and ones. Write the number names of the 2-digit numbers given below. 3 tens is equal to 30. 5 ones is equal to 5. 6 tens is equal to 60. 2 ones is equal to 2. The smallest 2-digit number is 10. And the greatest 2-digit number is 99. 3-digit numbers. These numbers have 3 place values. Can you name them? The smallest 3-digit number is 100. And the greatest 3-digit number is 999. Write the number name of the following 3-digit number. 500. 7 tens. 3 ones. 573. Group work. Visit the parking lot for school buses in your school with your teacher, in groups. Note down their number on the number plates. How many digits do these numbers have? Are these numbers greater than 2-digit and 3-digit numbers? Discuss in your group. Numbers after 999. Adding 1 to a number gives us the number just after it. Let us add 1 to 999. 9 hundreds. 9 tens. 9 ones is equal to 999. Plus 1 is equal to 9 hundreds. Plus 10 tens. 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. 10 hundreds make 1000. On adding 1 to 999, we get a 4-digit number, 1000. We call this number 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number, which comes just after 999. Other 4-digit numbers come after 1000. Let's do. To show 4-digit numbers on the abacus, another place value is added on the left of hundreds. This place value is thousands and it is denoted by TH. Numbers with 4 digits have 4 place values. Large numbers. The numbers with 4 digits and more called large numbers. Read the following in thousands. Number. Number name. 1000. 1000. 2000. 2000. 3000. 3000. 4000. 4000. 5000. 5000. 6000. 6000. 7000. 7000. 8000. 8000. 9000. 9000. 10,000. 10,000. Forming 4-digit numbers. 2000 plus, 500 plus, 50 plus, 6 is equal to 2556. 5000 plus 30 is equal to 5030. There are 0 hundreds and 0 ones in this number. We can also use the abacus to form 4-digit numbers. 3162. Hots. 10,000 is written as 10,000. Do you think it is the smallest 5-digit number? What will be the next place value on the adjoining abacus? Where will it be placed? Face value and place value. Face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. Place value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit in its position. For example, 6238. Digit. Face value. Place value. Digit 6. Face value 6. Place value 6000 is equal to 6 times 1000 is equal to 6000. Digit 2. Face value 2. Place value 200 is equal to 2 times 100 is equal to 200. Digit 3. Face value 3. Place value 3 tens is equal to 3 times 10 is equal to 30. Digit 8. Face value 8. Place value 8 ones is equal to 8 times 1 is equal to 8. Example. Find the face value and place value of the marked digits. Solution. 7105. Face value 0. Place value 0. 2843. Face value 8. Place value 800. 1699. Face value 9. Place value 9. Expanded notation. Writing a number as sum of its place values is called its expanded notation. For example, 4567. In this number, there are 4 thousands, 5 hundreds, 6 tens and 7 ones. In expanded form, this number may be written as 4567 is equal to 4 thousands plus 5 hundreds plus 6 tens plus 7 ones is equal to 4000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 7. For example, write the expanded form of A. 8972. B. 3852. C. 5070. Solution: A. 8972 is equal to 8 thousands plus 9 hundreds plus 7 tens plus 2 ones is equal to 8000 plus 900 plus 70 plus 2. B. 3852 is equal to 3000s plus 800s plus 5 tens plus 2 ones is equal to 3000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 2. C. 5070 is equal to 5000s plus 0 hundreds plus 7 tens plus 0 ones is equal to 5000 plus 0 plus 70 plus 0. Successor and predecessor. The successor of a number is the number just after it. We get the successor of a number by adding 1 to it. The predecessor of a number is the number just before it. We get predecessor of a number by subtracting 1 from it. Example 1. Find the successor of A. 27. Solution: A. 27. Successor of 27 is equal to 27 plus 1 equals 28. B. 384. B. 384. Successor of 384 is equal to 384 plus 1 equals 385. C. 7241. C. 7241. Successor of 7241 is equal to 7241 plus 1 equals 7242. Example 2. Find the predecessor of A. 39. Solution: A. 39. Predecessor of 39 is equal to 39 minus 1 is equal to 38. B. 630. B. 630. Predecessor of 630 is equal to 630 minus 1 is equal to 629. C. 4,599. C. 4,599. Predecessor of 4,599 is equal to 4,599 minus 1 is equal to 4,598. Hots. Does 0 have a predecessor? Does every number have a successor? Comparing numbers. Ram collects 926 rupees for a charity for literacy mission. Rama collects 1,245 rupees for the same charity. Who collects more amount? Who collects less amount? To AFND which amount is more and which is less, we have to compare the numbers. Let us compare 926 rupees and 1,245 rupees. And 926 has 3 digits. And 1,245 has 4 digits. 1. The number with more number of digits is greater. The number with less number of digits is smaller. Hence, 926 less than 1,245. 1,654 centimeters long. Who has the longer ribbon? Who has the shorter ribbon? Let us compare 1,523 and 1,654. Both 1,523 and 1,654 have 4 digits each. So, we first compare the digits at thousands place. 1,523 and 1,654. 1,000 and 1,000. Since the digits at thousands place are equal, we compare the digits at hundreds place. 500 and 600. The number of hundreds are greater in 1,654. Hence, 1,523 less than 1,654. Two. To compare numbers with equal number of digits, we compare their place values starting from first digits on the left. Example 1. Compare 2,342 and 2,324. Solution. Both 2,342 and 2,324 have 4 digits. Comparing thousands. 2,000 is equal to 2,000. Comparing hundreds. 300 is equal to 300. Comparing tens. 40 greater than 20. Hence, 2,342 greater than 2,324. Ascending and descending order. To compare more than two numbers, we arrange them in an order. Numbers arranged from smallest to greatest are said to be in ascending order or increasing order. Numbers arranged from greatest to smallest are said to be in descending order or decreasing order. Example 1. The weight of 4 apple baskets is given. Arrange the weights in ascending order. Solution. By comparing the weights. Ascending order. 1163 grams. 1253 grams. 1329 grams. 1450 grams. Example 2. Arrange the given numbers in descending order. 3469, 4639, 6394, 9346. Solution. By comparing the numbers, descending order. 9346, 6394, 4639, 3469. Integrated learning. Do you remember a proverb related to apples? An apple a day. Have you seen an apple tree? How many colors of apples have you seen? Forming the greatest and the smallest numbers. You have 4 number cards. 2, 0, 6, 9. To make the greatest 4-digit number with these, we place these number cards in descending order. 9, 6, 2, 0. To make the smallest 4-digit number with these, can we place these number cards in ascending order? 0, 2, 6, 9. This would be incorrect as 4-digit number cannot start with 0. 2, 0, 6, 9. So, we place the number cards such that 0 is in second position and other numbers are in ascending order. Make other number cards in a group and try to form the greatest and the smallest numbers like this. Group work. Example 1. Form the greatest numbers using the digits. A. 4, 6, 1, 3. Solution. A. 4, 6, 1, 3. To form the greatest number, we arrange digits in descending order 6431. B. 5, 0, 7, 8. B. 5078. To form the greatest number, we arrange digits in descending order 8750. Example 2. Form the smallest numbers using the digits A. 7390. Solution: A. 7390. To form the smallest number, we keep 0 in second position and arrange other digits in ascending order 3079. B. 2496. To form the smallest number, we arrange the digits in ascending order 2469. Example 3. Form the greatest and the smallest numbers using 5, 1, 7, 2. Solution: the greatest number 7521. The smallest number 1257. Even and odd numbers. Even and odd numbers. Which of these can be paired completely? 6, 5, 9, 10. Of number 6 and 10, all objects get complete paired. Of number 9 and 5, one object remains unpaired. Numbers which can be completely divided by 2 are called even numbers. Numbers which cannot be completely divided by 2 are called odd numbers. Rounding off numbers. Boxer has 258 red beads. Box B has 194 green beads. Box C has 321 yellow beads. What is the total number of beads? What is the total of red and green beads? To make it easier to calculate, we round off numbers. Numbers can be rounded off to nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. Rounding to nearest tens. Example 1. Round off nearest tens. A. 63. Solution: A. 63. The nearest tens to 63 is 60. Rounding of 63 to nearest tens, 60. B. 258. B. 258. Number formed by the tens and ones digits at 58. The nearest tens to 58 is 60. Rounding to nearest hundred. Rounding 258 to nearest tens, 260. Example 1. Round off to nearest hundred. A. 643. Solution: A. 643. B. 2389. The nearest hundred to 643 is 600. Rounded off nearest hundred. B. 389. The number formed by the hundreds, tens and ones digits is 389. The nearest hundred to 389 is 4 hundreds or 400. Rounded off to nearest hundred is equal to 400. Example 2. Round off 6,238 to a. Nearest tens. Solution. A. 6,238 to nearest tens. In 6,238, the nearest tens to 38 is 4 tens or 40. Rounded off to nearest tens is equal to 6,240. B. Nearest hundreds. B. 60 to 38 to nearest hundreds in 6,238. The nearest hundreds to 238 is 2 hundreds or 200. Rounded off to nearest hundreds is equal to 6,200.